The iPhone 17 Pro Max is finally here, and Apple is calling it the most advanced iPhone ever made. But is this just marketing hype, or does it truly live up to the expectations of tech enthusiasts, content creators, and everyday users alike? Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about Apple's latest flagship, design, cameras, battery life, AI features, performance, and more, so you can decide if this is the upgrade worth making in 2025. Design and build. Stronger, sleeker, smarter. Apple has completely reinvented the build of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Instead of relying on stainless steel or hybrid designs, this year's model introduces a full aluminum unibody frame that not only looks premium, but also feels sturdier in everyday use. It's a striking shift from previous models that still carried hints of plastic or mixed materials. What makes this design special is the fusion of durability and minimalism. The phone sports sharper lines, slimmer bezels, and a more futuristic aesthetic, making it look like a device straight out of 2030. Of course, with great design comes added heft. The iPhone 17 Pro Max weighs 206 grams and measures 153.9 x 74.4 x 7.7 millimeter. It's slightly heavier than its predecessor, but the weight adds to its premium feel in the hand. Apple also added IP68 water and dust resistance, making it more reliable for outdoor use, accidental drops, or even underwater shots. While most users will still want to slap on a protective case, the bare metal design itself screams durability and luxury. Display. A cinematic experience in your pocket. Front and center is a 6.9-inch LTPO OLED display, one of the largest and brightest panels Apple has ever produced. The high refresh rate combined with Apple's ProMotion technology ensures buttery smooth animations, fluid scrolling, and lag-free gaming. Whether you're binge-watching Netflix, editing 4K videos, or playing graphics-heavy games, this display delivers a cinematic experience. It's brighter outdoors, sharper indoors, and optimized for color accuracy, which makes it especially appealing for professionals in photography and video editing. Compared to Android rivals like the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, Apple's panel is slightly less adaptive when it comes to glare reduction, but it outshines most competitors in terms of color consistency, contrast, and overall smoothness. Camera system photography. Reimagined Apple has always been about camera innovation, but the iPhone 17 Pro Max takes things to another level. Front camera. A full-width 448mm sensor array makes selfies sharper, brighter, and more detailed, even in low-light conditions. This setup is a dream for vloggers, TikTok creators, and anyone who relies on front-facing video calls. Rear camera system. On the back, you get 4 advanced cameras, including 12-megapixel telephoto lenses with a true 4x optical zoom and usable results up to 8x. This makes long-distance shots sharper than ever before. Night mode. Enhanced algorithms ensure brighter, cleaner, and more accurate photos in the darkest environments. For professionals, the new sensor shift stabilization ensures steady shots even while moving, while the cinematic portrait mode adds DSLR-like depth to photos. When stacked against Android competitors, the iPhone 17 Pro Max doesn't necessarily offer the highest megapixel count, but Apple's image processing and computational photography give it an edge in real-world usability. Sensors and LAR. Technology, augmented reality comes alive. The iPhone 17 Pro Max introduces a breakthrough with light augmented reality, LAR sensors. These sensors significantly improve depth perception and object recognition, making AR apps more immersive and accurate. Imagine using ARKit for virtual home tours, interior design previews, or even AR-based shopping experiences where you can visualize products in your living room before you buy them. These are no longer gimmicks. Apple is making them practical. The front-facing 8MP camera with 4x optical zoom ensures crystal-clear video calls and immersive FaceTime experiences. Coupled with LAR, even virtual meetings now feel more lifelike. Video and cinematic profiles for creators and professionals. Apple continues to cater to creators with professional-grade video features, 4K recording up to 120 FPS, delivering ultra-smooth cinematic footage. HDR log color profiles balancing highlights and shadows for breathtaking quality. Support for ProRes and HLG formats, giving editors full control in post-production. Apple's advanced HDR engine uses multiple sensors to capture vibrant colors while maintaining detail in both the brightest and darkest parts of a scene. This makes the iPhone 17 Pro Max not just a smartphone, but a content creation powerhouse. For YouTubers, filmmakers, and Instagram creators, this is essentially a pocket-sized production studio. AI features and smart tracking, a new era of control. The iPhone 17 Pro Max also steps into the AI future. The enhanced tracking AI system recognizes faces, objects, and gestures, allowing users to interact with the phone without touching it. Want to take a photo? Just gesture. Need to answer a call? Use your voice. Navigating menus? A simple hand wave can do the trick. This feature isn't just cool, it's practical. Imagine cooking, working out, or driving and still being able to control your phone hands-free. Apple's AI also improves group selfies, stabilizes video calls, and enhances overall clarity in communication apps. Performance, RAM and storage, a true powerhouse. At its core, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is powered by the A19 Pro chip, which delivers next-level speed and efficiency. This chip handles gaming, multitasking, and heavy workloads without breaking a sweat. For storage, the base model starts at 128 GB, but you can upgrade to 512 GB or even 1 TB. Professionals will love Apple's support for UHSD cards up to 2 TB, which deliver lightning-fast read and write speeds, perfect for creators storing massive 4K or even 8K video files. RAM ensures smooth multitasking, whether you're editing videos, streaming live, or gaming at high refresh rates. Simply put, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is one of the most powerful smartphones on the planet. Battery and charging, power that lasts. One of the biggest wins for Apple this year is battery life. Thanks to the A19 Pro chip and iOS 26 optimizations, the iPhone 17 Pro Max delivers 2 full days of regular use, beating most Android rivals. Charging, however, is where Apple still trails. While MagSafe wireless charging supports up to 45W, it's not as fast as Samsung's or OnePlus's rapid charging systems. But what Apple loses in speed, it makes up for in reliability, heat management, and long-term battery health. For users who value longevity over instant charging, this balance makes sense. Accessories and ecosystem, built for longevity. Apple complements the iPhone 17 Pro Max with a range of premium accessories, sleek protective cases, MagSafe stands, and wireless chargers. These are not just stylish, but also enhance durability and usability. The device also integrates seamlessly into Apple's ecosystem, working effortlessly with the Apple Watch, iPad, MacBook, and AirPods. For users already invested in Apple products, the iPhone 17 Pro Max becomes the ultimate hub. Final verdict: should you upgrade? So is the iPhone 17 Pro Max worth it? If you're looking for unmatched battery life, premium build quality, professional-grade cameras, and futuristic AI features, then yes, this is the iPhone to beat in 2025. Sure, it's heavier, more expensive, and charges slower than Android competitors. But in return, you get reliability, longevity, and Apple's most complete smartphone experience yet. For creators, professionals, and Apple loyalists, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is more than just an upgrade. It's a statement device built for the future. Call to action. What do you think? Is the iPhone 17 Pro Max truly worth its price tag, or do Android flagships like the Galaxy S25 Ultra and OnePlus 13 Pro still have the edge? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest from TouchTrove.